Robots are already playing a big part in our daily lives. Going forward, they'll assist us in carrying out more demanding tasks. Equipped with advanced artificial intelligence, sensor and navigation technologies, Verifsuite Robo is a versatile solution that's even used in indoor applications, such as warehouse management. From detection of fire, first responder of emergencies, inspection, to public safety or security duties, our robots bring a fresh dimension to how things work. Always available, unaffected by fatigue or human bias, these intelligent machines provide the perfect support for mundane and physically demanding work. With managed services and a pay-as-you-use model, there's no in-house expertise needed, no capex, and no worries with support or warranty. We call this Verifsuite Robo, practical intelligence.